This March, Ferndale schools will ask our community to invest in our facilities. If approved, this bond would yield $125 million for our schools with no increase to the current tax rate. Our focus for these funds lies in 3 areas: safety and security, reimagining the classroom, and restoring and protecting infrastructure. The safety and security of our students, staff, and community is always our top priority. Our schools were built in a time when our current security challenges were unimaginable. Improving control over who can access what parts of our buildings would increase the safety of everyone on our campuses. Bond funding would be invested in permanent improvements to access points and entryways district-wide that meet the security demands of today and tomorrow. Classroom structures haven't changed much in the past 150 years either. As the pace of change accelerates, educators are reimagining the spaces where our students learn. Integrating these innovations would better prepare students to excel in a changing world at jobs that haven't even been invented yet. Imagine 30% larger classroom spaces, flexible enough to meet the needs of our current students, but adaptable enough to evolve into the future. Energy efficiency and ensuring our students are kept warm, dry, and safe isn't exciting, it's expected. Bond funding would secure resources for a 10-year facility usage plan to systematically repair and improve our aging infrastructure. This not only means better learning environments, but it will also reduce the cost of annual maintenance. In order to best meet these needs, we're also proposing the construction of a new lower elementary school that will fully meet today's standards.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our zero mil increase $125 million bond proposal. For more information, please visit ferndaleforward.com.